We're really proud of the Toronto Lab. It's now been 40 years. We just celebrated our 40th anniversary last year. We started in 1967 with about 55 employees. We now have over 2,500 employees. It's the largest research and development arm inside Canada. It's also the third largest software lab in IBM, and therefore we have world responsibility for some of the IBM's most important missions. And this is a great draw for our development talents. Our mission is to attract and retain the greatest talent in the industry. One of the biggest reasons we originally located the lab in Canada and in Toronto was because we wanted to do a lot of the partnership with the universities. So the fact that we were sort of in the central hub with University of Toronto, University of Waterloo, York University, that gave us access to great talent. Our population and our employees are a very diversified group, which really helps us deal with our customers worldwide. One of the things that we wanted to do when we looked at bringing together a number of different locations into this state-of-the-art facility, we wanted to build it in a location which we thought would be conducive to growing for the next years onward. And so we wanted to put it in a community where you could have affordable housing, where you had a vibrant area. The setting that we have around the lab is a great setting. We're sitting right here. The Rouge River runs right through the properties. One of the best things that we did when we first broke ground is we had an event where the employees that came from the other locations, we all came up here and we all planted trees. One of the things that's really unique about the Toronto Lab is while we are based in Canada, we have worldwide mission responsibility for some of the most exciting projects that IBM software is doing these days. There's a lot of work that's going on in terms of how we can use the technology that we work on here in IBM to help revolutionize the healthcare industry. So a lot of the work that's being done around electronic records utilizes our database technology, uses our storage technology. And so this is something that we are working very closely with our key healthcare partners to help them understand how they can, in a secure manner, manage electronic healthcare records. The Centre for Advanced Study is a great partnership between the Canadian universities, the Canadian government, and industry. And it's a way that we can bring the three parties together to collaborate on projects that are of mutual of interest. And it's been a very successful model. In fact, we were just recognized a couple of years ago with the Synergy Award for Innovation. And that success has allowed us to now replicate that model of how you do business with other universities around the world. So we have set up this CAS model, the Center for Advanced Study model, in a number of different labs around IBM so that they can again benefit from some of the best practices that we developed here in the Toronto Lab.